Come and cuddle by the fire in the evening. We'll forget about the snow and rain. While the skies are stormy, your arms will warm me. It's winter again.
Good afternoon. Winter storm is headed into town. Blizzard warnings are now in effect for areas around Tulsa to the north, to the northeast as well. We're looking at increasing chance of light rain, light freezing rain, and freezing drizzles. We go through the later evening hours here around at 9 o'clock to midnight. After that, it'll change over to sleet and then heavy snow by morning. That snow will be heavy off and on throughout the morning and midday hours. Winds will be picking up out of the north of 15 to 30 miles per hour, gusting to 40. Therefore, the blizzard warning is in effect. Total snowfall accumulations are expected to be in the record territory of 12 to 18 inches across much of northeast Oklahoma. It should paralyze most of the roadways, unfortunately, as we're looking at blowing and drifting snow through late afternoon into tomorrow night. Bitter cold on Wednesday with variable cloudiness, a few snow flurries, and temperatures around 12 for a high. From the News on 6, I'm meteorologist Travis Meyer. For AM 740 and FM 102.3, News Talk, KRMG.
This is a Storm Center update from Tulsa's #1 news, weather, and traffic station, AM 740 and FM 102.3, News Talk, KRMG.
At 9:16, we have 30 degrees in Tulsa, live from the KRMG 24-hour Fox News Center. I'm Mike Downing with team coverage of the winter weather threat that is now moving into the Tulsa area. The blizzard warning in effect until midnight tomorrow night. We're looking at a possibility of 6 to 12 inches of snow in the area, along with an inch of sleet possible. Local amounts near 18 inches of snow expected, with high winds, below zero wind chills, slippery roads, and snow drifts even of 2 to 4 feet deep in spots. And that means that it will be dangerous to travel in the Tulsa area or on the highways in northeastern Oklahoma. Pretty much any place in northeastern Oklahoma looks to be rough for travel over the next day or two at least. If you don't have to get out, it's probably a good idea that you don't. If you haven't gotten prepared by now, you may have to make a quick run to the grocery store to get those essentials, including adequate food and medical supplies. And if you take off in your car, you make sure that you're prepared there with emergency kits as well. We'll continue to monitor the storm activity and continue to provide you with the Storm Center coverage through the evening. Coming up on AM 740 and FM 102.3, News Talk, KRMG.